Hi guys, welcome to my channel Go2touring. Today we are visiting Bruges, which is situated in the northwest of Belgium, which is famous for its canals, cobbled streets and medieval buildings since 13th century. Here I am going to share with you few glimpses of Bruges and the most important, taking you to visit world's one of the oldest cafe in Belgium. Grootes Museum, the Church of Our Lady, Bruges, a UNESCO World Heritage Belfry of Bruges, a famous chocolate museum Chocostory in a 16th century medieval building. Here you can taste and buy chocolates and also you can watch how they make the chocolates. Bruges USP, unique selling proposition, that's incredible boat tours in Bruges canals. Bruges is also known as Venice of North Europe. Believe me, it is better than Venice. The sailor cum guide provides information about the places on either sides of the canal. A 30 minutes boat tour costs you €10 per adult. I would say it is worth more than that. Torture Museum. It's a collection of 100 plus torture and execution instruments from Europe's oldest prisons. It is very painful to see how it was being implemented. The entry fee to this museum is €20 per adult. Now we are going towards the most interesting part of this video, the 16th century cafe of Bruges, that's Vlissingen. You will be surprised to know that this cafe was established in 16th century in the year of 1515 by the first owners of this cafe. The name was Old Tunis and his wife. It is said that they lived for 100 years and died on the same day. Still, you can find their portrait hanged on the wall of the cafe. 2 years back, I had been there and tasted their home brewed original Belgian beer, which was really awesome. The coffee will also refresh your mood. The rustic and cozy ambience takes you to another world. They took great efforts to maintain the original furniture, interior and the implements of the cafe. One can realize after being here why it is said that the old is gold. The courteous and polite staff makes the atmosphere more welcoming. Me and my family was getting more and more hungry and we were ordering one dish after another. Yes, of course, the food was also very delicious. I saw many electric room heaters in my life, but first time I saw here a coal-fired room heater working since last more than 500 years. You will surprised to know that their tongue-tickling food with great aroma are available at really affordable prices. You can see their menu card here in pictures and also on their website. Please find the links of their website and location in the description of this video. And friends, if still you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe my channel and watch upcoming or exciting videos. Thank you, goodbye and take care.